Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Tab menu and tapping on those three dots located on the right of a brightness slider. Now tap on this switcher next to adaptive brightness to manage it. And then save your changes by tapping on Done at the bottom right corner. You can also go into Settings, scroll down just a bit and click on Display. Then click on this switcher next to Adaptive Brightness feature to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!